Okay, so looks like we are live.
Okay.
Let's see.
Hello.
Give a couple of seconds. Let's figure out what we have.
Okay. Boy.
We can probably kill a comment at the moment. Okay. Okay. Hopefully. Oh, hold on. You need to put the mic on. Mic on, don't you?
Yeah, it just said 2 times, but that's just gone live.
Mic on. Okay.
Everyone can hear me, right?
Yes, looks like everyone can hear you now.
Ole, ole. Okay, practice. Petra. Petra.
Okay.
Petra. Petra is an Arabian.
All right.
Okay.
Let's get to it then.
Okay, let me just see what I got
Benchka, let's go.
here. Okay. Do I start the...
Yes.
Hi, this is Daniel, the young CEO Smarty Dots. And this is Get Smarty with Daniel, where you and I do our daily educational routine activities together. So let's get smarty. Today, we're going to be looking at the 7 new wonders of the world, just like last time, but the 7 new ones. So for number 1, Petra. It's an Arabian historical and archaeological city located in Jordan. So now, let me go grab a marker for this one. Okay, marker. Some bullets work. Okay. And Jordan is located right here. That's where Jordan is located. It's right next to Israel and Iraq and Saudi Arabia. Number 2, Christ the Redeemer. The statue of Jesus in Rio de Janeiro, located in Brazil. Now let's see where Brazil is. Brazil is right over here. Number 3, Colosseum, an elliptical amphitheater located in Rome, Italy. Sisley, highlight the boot. Now we're highlighting the boot, not Sisley. That's not pretty. Okay, now, number 4, the Great Wall of China. It's the series of fortifications built along the historical borders of China. So let's see where China is. China's right over here. I'm not sure that much, but I think the Great Wall of China is around this area somewhere.
Around the entire China.
Wait, so you walked around the entire thing?
No.
Okay, but imagine someone did that. Okay, number 5. Chichen Itza. It's the pyramid of Chichen Itza, located in Mexico. Okay. Now number 6, Taj Mahal. It's a white marble mausoleum in Agra, located in India. Now, the last and final, number 7, Machu Picchu. It's the 15th century Inca site in Peru. Peru is right over here. So, everyone, those were the 7 new wonders of the world. And this, if you want to get the world map, it's on our company, smartydots.com, the world map. And if I'm correct, this is medium. And it's made in USA. It's also glueless, transparent. So knowledge is power.